It's a glorious day at Cabinet Joint. I'm Nick, here to talk to you about two options to finish the side of a cabinet. There are multiple ways to do that. Two of those options would be a flush end and an exposed end, both of which are finished in the color of the cabinet that you have chosen, both of which have an 1.5 inch rail, and from the front side appear to be exactly the same. The main differences in these two options will be that the thickness of your side of your cabinet. In the exposed end, it is 1/2 inch thick plywood, finished, and it is recessed off of the face frame 5/16 inch. Call it 1/4 inch. On the finished end, it is going to be 3/4 inch thick material that is recessed only about a 32nd. So really a thumbnail off of your face frame. Both options work. Both options have the same finish on the outside. However, we more times than not will choose a finished end if you give us the option. The application for an exposed side is rare. Sometimes we utilize that where there's a dishwasher in between two cabinets, and maybe the dishwasher is not at the end of a run, to give a little bit more real estate to slide your dishwasher in. But again, the price point is about the same as a flush end, so this is our predominant method at finishing a side of a cabinet. But these are two ways which you can finish the sides. There are multiple other ways, whether using in-skins or prepping for a false side using an end panel, but that's contained in other videos. So we have the exposed end and the finished end. If you have any questions, please talk to your cabinet coach or give us a call at 888-211-6482. Have a great day.